One of the most important assets of a beekeeper's operation is good, mature brood combs. But unfortunately, over time, you're going to end up getting one that the mice have got into and damaged. I'm going to show you how you can repair this without using a foundation and get the bees to draw worker cells in this area instead of drawing drone comb. Now, some people may just throw their combs away when they get damaged like this, but it takes 5 years or more to get good quality brood combs that are nice and dark. The queens really like to lay in these, and because of the dark color over age, they hold heat real well and act like an incubator, so it don't take as many bees to cover the brood and keep them warm. So, a lot of beekeepers have probably tried putting a frame in without foundation or have a hole in it and discovered the bees drew drone comb. The trick to getting them to draw this back out in worker cells is to put it in a weaker colony that's still trying to expand the brood nest rather than an established colony that's ready to make drones. I've got a 5-frame nucleus hive that I'm going to be transferring to a 10-frame box, and I'm going to put this frame in the middle of the cluster, and the bees will draw it out in worker cells. I've now transferred the 5-frame nukes into the 10-frame box, and I'm going to slide this frame in the middle of the cluster. I've filled in the other locations with drone comb, and I'm adding a feeder to the hive, which will fill with syrup to help them stimulate them to draw comb. We'll check back in a few days or a week, and that frame should be filled out with worker cells in the hole. We'll close her up and leave her alone till then. It's been about 2 weeks since we placed the damaged comb in the hive. We're going to get in it now and check it out and see how the comb looks. Now, as you can see, this frame, the bees have drawn out that corner with nice worker cell. The queen's been laying in there. You've got some brood. Now, you will notice they have left a gap around the outside edge. Sometimes it's harder to get the bees to fill that in. But as you can tell, it's not one big chunk of drone brood like many people think would happen. But the trick is you just have to put it on a colony that's trying to build up instead of one that's already a big booming hive. The colony that's trying to build up wants more workers, so they draw worker cells. The colony that's already established is at the point they want to start raising drone cells, and that's when you see the drone cells start getting drawn out into any open space they can.